Welcome to Redline Review. With its hotel-like interior design and state-of-the-art German engineering, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome redefines luxury travel. This recreational vehicle redefines comfortable, fashionable travel for affluent, tech-savvy travelers. External performance and design. The outside of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is characterized by modern elegance. Clean lines, a sculpted front fascia, and an illuminated three-pointed star symbol that identifies its heritage are features of the aerodynamic body. Large panoramic windows and headlights with adjustable LED digital lights improve landscape views. The 3.0-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine with great torque and a 48-volt mild hybrid system offer efficiency and quick response. Limited all-electric mobility is offered by available plug-in hybrids, allowing for zero-emission city access. On any road, the Airmatic air suspension offers a pleasant ride, while the 9G Tronic automatic transmission offers seamless acceleration. Details and interior design inside the motorhome, you'll discover sophisticated materials and ingenious design. Natural walnut wood, polished aluminum accents, and hand-finished Napa leather adorn the open living area. Ambient LED lights with 64 colors allow you to create any mood. Burmester 3D surround sound, a retractable entertainment console with a 55-inch UHD display, and power-adjustable seats that can be made into a queen-size bed are all features of a spacious lounge area. Dining room/kitchen. There is an induction stove that is flush-mounted in the gourmet kitchen, combining a convection oven and a microwave. Intelligent freezer-equipped full-size refrigerator. Gorgeous glass cabinets with lights sync with stainless steel pull-out sprayer. There is an extended table and 4 upholstered benches in the adjacent eating area. Restroom, private suite, a backlit anti-fog mirror, heated tile flooring, a rainfall shower with frameless glass doors, and high-quality brushed steel fixtures give the bathroom a spa-like ambiance. A private sleeping area featuring spacious closets, reading lamps, and a king-size memory foam bed. Connectivity and technology. This Mercedes-Benz Motorhome features the following next-generation MBX, Mercedes-Benz user experience. 2 OLED 12.8-inch screens, a voice assistant that speaks natural languages, real-time satellite imagery for navigation. Smart home integration allows for remote control of appliances, lighting, and temperature. 5G and quick Wi-Fi connectivity. Safety and driver assistance, cutting-edge technologies for driver assistance, streamlined long-distance transportation, Distronic adaptive cruise control, assisted navigation, avoidance of steering, 360-degree 3D camera, pilot for automated parking, keeping the crosswind stable, effectiveness and sustainability. A hybrid drivetrain and regenerative braking reduce emissions and fuel usage, and solar panels positioned on the roof supply electricity for internal systems. Synopsis. Mercedes-Benz's 2026 Motorhome is the pinnacle of luxury mobility thanks to its unparalleled performance, innovation, and workmanship. It is perfect for driving the major highways in Europe or the desolate coastline walks because of its elegance, usefulness, and serene comfort.